channel. Today we'll be solving pattern 3. The problem statement states that given an integer n, you need to recreate the pattern given below for any value of n. Let's say for n is equal to 5, the pattern should look like as below. So in the first line just 1, second line 1, 2, third line 1, 2, 3, fourth line 1, 2, 3, 4 and fifth line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 respectively. So let's try this problem using a nested for loop for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So we know we are using 5 lines of print values, and then the inside for loop will decide what are we printing. So int j is equal to 0, j less than n, sorry I, because j will increase with respect to I in j plus plus. And one more thing to note here is system.out.print will be printing j here, the value of j, but in the first line they want 1. So we'll start initializing the values for I and j with 1, and we'll use equal to, so that it starts from 1. Index always starts from 0, but we need to print the values from 1, so we have changed it to 1. And after the first for loop, after the inside for loop, we have to print a new line, system.out.println, and let's run this program. Accepted. So let me submit this code. Yes friends, so all the 22 cases have passed. Thank you.